Since the beginning of time, humans have tried to harness the power of the sun. And you may have remembered that when you were a kid, you must have used a magnifying glass and concentrated all the sun's energy to one point on a piece of paper and see that it had burned a hole through the paper. Well, if it can burn a hole through the paper, why can't the sun pop a balloon? So let's see if it can. Here I have a magnifying glass with me. And let's take the black balloon first. You can see that I didn't even finish and it bursted. You can see that's the power of the sun. Now the blue balloon. It bursted too. Now the white balloon. Wait, why is it taking time for the white balloon? Well, you saw that the black balloon bursted even before I could complete my sentence. The blue balloon, well, it took a little while, but it bursted eventually. The white one, on the other hand, it took a great time for it to burst, and it still hasn't burst yet. Well, you know why? It's the same reason we prefer to wear light-colored clothes, especially white in summers. Because light-colored clothes or light-colored colors, they reflect off more light than they absorb. That's why the amount of light that's coming on the white balloon is a part of it is being reflected off, and that too a large part. So it's going to take a long time for it to burst. Whereas black, it absorbs all the light, and that's why it bursted almost instantly. So now you can see I've put a black balloon inside a white balloon, and now I'm going to use the magnifying glass again to burst the black balloon, or at least I hope it will. So we have the white balloon on the outside and a black balloon inside. Will the white balloon burst first? Will the black balloon? Will both? Or will none? Let's find out. Saw it did take a while, but the black balloon has officially bursted. You can see that black balloon moving in. It's completely bursted, and the white balloon is unharmed. This proves that light is reflected off the white balloon, but dark colors do absorb light more than light colors. So now I've put a white balloon inside a black balloon. Let's see what happens now. Okay, focusing on lately on the black balloon. Okay, it bursted and you saw a white balloon came out. Well, that's because the black balloon absorbed all the heat instantly, and the white balloon, well, it was inside and reflected all the heat, and that's why it remains unharmed.